Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the Range Rover on level ground with the hood cool. Work in shade because heat can soften adhesives and warp plastic trim. Clean the badge area with isopropyl alcohol and let dry. Protect surrounding paint with 3M masking tape at least 1 inch beyond each letter. Measure letter placement using a ruler. Letters are about 1 inch tall with 0.5-inch spacing, and mark alignment lightly with a grease pencil so new letters sit straight. Gently warm the letters with a heat gun on low from about 6 to 8 inches away to soften the double-sided tape. Do not overheat paint. Slide a length of dental floss or braided fishing line behind each letter and use a steady sawing motion to separate letter from vehicle without prying. If letters resist, reheat briefly. After removal, remove remaining adhesive with citrus adhesive remover and a microfiber cloth. Then wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry. Fit pre-cut double-sided automotive tape to the back of each replacement letter, using 2 mm thick tape strips for consistent adhesion. Peel half the liner and align the letter to your grease pencil marks, then remove the rest of the liner and press the letter on from left to right. Apply firm pressure for about 30 seconds per letter to seat the tape. You can use a soft roller or cloth to avoid marring finish. Allow the adhesive to cure for 24 hours before washing or exposing to heavy rain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.